This is One Man, One Camera. I hope everyone's having a great day today. Today we're at Caesar's Forum. And can you see the where it says Caesar's Forum right there? Anyway, okay. Now this place is due to open on March 18th of 2020. Total cost, from what I've read, was $375 million. Now here's what's going on. From February 11th, the executives, well, some executives, have been on a 5-week road trip across the USA, promoting their All Roads Lead to Caesars, or All Roads Lead to Caesar road show to help to promote and, gather more revenue for the place. Like I said, it's due to open in March 18th, and thus far, they've already booked 1.3 million nights associated with conventions and so on here, which is revenue of like $460 million, or was it $470 million? It's a pretty penny, whatever it was, okay? Now, this place is 550,000 square feet, and which will have the largest pillarless ballroom, I believe, in the world. Now, I know a lot of us don't really get involved in ballroom dancing, but a couple of years ago, I was at the Bellagio just hanging out, and there was actually a ballroom dancing competition going on. I stayed for a little while. It's it's pretty cool actually. So you should enjoy it. All right. Oh crap! This is all cut off now. Now previously, I was able to walk or ride on this little small path. That's been cut off, so I can't do it. However, as you can see, it looks fine to me. And the location, in case you don't remember, this place is behind the high roller and just behind the Link Promenade. Now, I do hope that this place stays busy and can contribute, well to the Las Vegas economy via jobs for people. But don't forget, the NFL draft for 2020 will be held here from April 23rd until April 25th. So if you've always wanted to see the NFL draft somewhere, this is the place to be. Las Vegas. We got casinos, we got restaurants, we got food and other little activities that you can try just to, say, what, I was there and I did that. All right, this is a Sunday and they are working, so they're serious about getting done by March 18th, 2020. All right, you guys, this is just a quickie. Actually, I went to stage door earlier, which I should not have done before making the video. Those things happen. So, like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care. Wherever you are, have a great day. And for those of you who have not been on the high roller, it's a pretty cool little ride. It takes about 30 minutes, whatever, and about $25, I think. But if you buy the drinking program, it may be $35 or $38 or $40. I forgot the exact number, but I never tried that part of the drinking program on the high roller. But remember, danger, keep out, construction area, and so on and so on and so on. For me, this place, as far as designs go, it looks fine to me. I'm not Mr. Architect design person, but it's pretty straightforward. It is a convention center with, like I said, 550,000 square feet. A lot of it which is customizable. So you can come in and say, I need the space to look like this. And they'll do it for you. So well done to our friends at the Caesar's Forum. And plus, remember, because it's Caesar's, you have tons of Caesar's affiliated or Caesar's hotels within, hop, skip, and a jump of the place. So, book your convention, come to Vegas, and stay nearby, and stay actually near enough to walk. All right, you guys, I'll say it again. What's this? This is a It is a Sunday. Hang on. Wait a minute. What is this? Oh, check this out. I don't know if you can see it or not. That's their water from Kirkland, which is Costco, I think. And once again, like I always say, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are, and have a great day.